In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable URL tracking in Hubstaff. This can be a useful feature for monitoring web activity and gaining insights into how time is being spent online. Whether you're managing a team or looking to optimize your own productivity, activating URL tracking can be an invaluable tool. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll need to begin by accessing your Hubstaff dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and navigate to the homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You're looking for the Settings option. It's usually presented in a list format alongside other key navigation links. Clicking Settings is your first step towards configuring URL tracking. Having clicked the Settings link, you'll be taken to a new page tailored to your organization's preferences. Here, you'll find a variety of options related to how you manage your team and projects. For this tutorial, our focus is on Activity and Tracking, a subsection dedicated to tracking team productivity and activity monitoring. This section will be instrumental in setting up URL tracking, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've landed on the Activity and Tracking page, the next logical move is to dive deeper into the options by selecting Activity. This section provides a comprehensive overview of all the activity settings available. Here is where you can make detailed customizations regarding how activity is monitored and reported within your organization. From screen captures to tracking app usage, the options here are versatile and aim to give you a complete oversight. As we zero in on activating URL tracking, the final step involves selecting apps and URLs. This option is critically positioned within the activity settings because it's here that you define the parameters for URL tracking. By clicking on apps and URLs, you'll have access to configure which URLs or applications should be monitored. Ensure that the settings accommodate your specific needs, whether it's tracking all URLs or just selected domains. After this, save your settings and you're all set. By now, you should have successfully enabled URL tracking in Hubstaff, and the app is positioned to capture the online activities you're interested in. Remember, this feature is a beneficial component to enhance productivity, offer transparency, and ensure time is effectively utilized across the board. Make sure to review the URL tracking data periodically. This feedback can offer valuable insights into optimizing workflows and identifying any potential inefficiencies. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks on making the most of workplace tools like Hubstaff. See you in the next video.